Hello students, in the previous video you learned that how to create table and insert the record with the different constants. Now in this video we will learn how to change the value of record and how to delete record. And here our table is student. Now I am just using select command, select a star from a student. You know that select command is used to display record from the table on the screen. So this is our records. Now I want to change the value of this roll number 103. That city is null at this time. Okay, leave it. Roll number 102, that's Bhopal. I want to change this. So for that purpose use update student set city is equal to, I am giving Mau, and where roll number is equal to 102. Okay, press enter. Now see here, now the city is changed. Okay, if you are not giving any where clause in this update query, in that case it will change city for all records. Okay, the same city will apply on all records. Okay, then if suppose you want to give in the range that update command, okay, I want to again give this city Indore where roll number greater than 101. Okay, I am giving this command. I want to change city of those students whose roll number is more than 101. Here at present I am having only two records, roll number 102 and 103, that satisfy this condition. So press enter. Now query execute. Two rows affected. Okay, that message display here. Now select a star from a student. See here, both cities is changed. And though, okay. Okay, now if suppose I am not giving any where clause, then look here what's happened. City is equal to, I am giving Bhopal, no where clause. Okay, and here we are using single quote. Why? Because that column is a string column. Use varchar value. That's why we are using single quote. So press enter. Now query okay, 3 rows affected. Okay, why? Because here we are not giving any where clause, so all the records is changed. Yeah, city equal to Bhopal. Now if you want to change more than one column, then you can do it. Update table name student as name, sorry, I am giving city only. City is equal to Ujjain, comma, mass is equal to 40, where roll number is equal to 103. Put semicolon, press enter. Okay, sorry, I forgot to put the set here. Set is city this, and my where clause here, query executed. That's one. That was my typing mistake that I forgot. Set here. So this query is changed, display record, select star from a student, that's Sujin, and now the marks is 40 in the maths column. Okay, this is the update command. With the help of update command, you can change the value of one or more than one column for any record in the table. Now next command is suppose delete. I want to delete roll number 102 or 103. So we can use here delete command. Delete from table name student where roll number is equal to 103. Okay, press enter. Okay, one row affected. Now this record is deleted here, 101, 102. Got it? So with the help of delete command, you can delete a record. If you omit this where clause, in that case it will delete all records from your table. Okay, means after that your table will empty. I am not typing at present this command here, but you can try on your system. Okay, now to display the table structure we use DSC. Now table name, then press enter. Now it display our table structure, what are the columns and what are the data types, and which one is primary key assigned here or foreign key assigned here, or what's the constants is given. Okay, that's null, no, s name is again no, because you know that we assign not null at the time of create command. Here the default value is 0, match we assign here. Okay, and every details display here when you use this command DESC student. Okay, after this, suppose I want to add one more column in this table, let's total. So for that purpose, if you are changing in the table structure, so you can use alter command. Okay, always remember the difference between alter and update. That's mostly time asked by the external, or in the theory exam also that question comes. What is the difference between alter and update command? So with the help of update command, you can change the value of any record, but with the help of alter command, you can change the table structure. Okay, you can change the definition of existing table. Okay, so here I want to add one more column, that's total. Okay, for that purpose use alter table, then what's the table name, that's a student. Now I want to add a new column, that's add, and what's the column name, suppose I am giving here total. Okay, and the data type is, here we are using int, then here again I am using int for total. Press enter. Now two row affected. Okay, means my query is okay, that column is edit, and that two row affected. Why? Because for these two records it's edit null value. Look, so I am typing here select star from student. Okay, now display null value here. Okay, why? Because that column is added right now, so all the records comes with null value. Now I want to write a query to add all these values and assign in the total. So for that purpose we can type the command as update table name student, set which column you want to set, total, and what's value you want to assign. Either you may directly assign here, or you may put the formula. Okay, here I am, suppose I will give here 40, okay, or 50, so that value will fix in the total column. But I want to add maths plus physics plus chemistry, so here I will use formula, that's maths plus phy plus chm. Okay, and for all records, so I am not typing here where clause. If you want to change a value for a particular column, particular record, so you can use where clause, okay, or range of record, then you can use where. But here I want to calculate total for every record, so update student set total is equal to maths plus physics plus chemistry without where clause. Press enter. Now 2 row affected. Query OK. Now see, that's total calculated automatically. Okay, that's the update command. So with the help of alter command, we can change the table structure. Here we learn the first attribute, that's the add. Now if you want to modify any table column definition, suppose you want to change the data type, okay, so you can use modify. Like here in the city we gave that work at 20, or in the s name I am giving work at 20. I want to increase the size, so here we can write here alter table student modify s name worker, I am giving here 40. Okay, press enter. Now 2 row affected. With the help of this modify, I am changing the column size, or you may change the data type also. Okay, in the select command that there is no difference, but when you use dsc student for displaying table structure, so it display the s name work at 40. Got it? So second is modify. With the help of that, you can change the data type of your column. Okay, now next is change. Suppose you want to change the s name with std name. Okay, I want to change this s name with std name. So for that purpose we can use change alter table student, then change, then your old column name. Our old column name is s name. I want to change s name with the new column name with data type. Okay, so the new column name is I am giving std name, data type worker 30. Okay, press semicolon, press enter. Now that's query OK. Select, or you can say dsc student. Now look here, std name worker 30. Now this is changed the column name and that data type also. So with the help of this change, you can change the column name and that data type. Now the fourth one is to drop a column in the existing table. Okay, at present we are having the total column. Now select star from student, that's last column is total. Now I want to drop this column. Okay, now again we are changing the table structure, so we use alter command, alter table student. Okay, now I want to remove this column permanently, so here we can use drop column, drop total. Okay, now that's press enter, query OK. Now see here, select command, my total column is deleted here. Okay, see the difference. If you want to display the structure, now display structure, now our that column is removed, total column. Okay, so with the help of drop you can remove the column. Okay, so in the alter command we use modify, then add, change and drop column. Okay, there's 4 types. Now the next, drop table. If you want to remove this table permanently, so you can go with the drop table student. With the help of this you can remove your table from the database. Okay, there is a difference between drop table and delete command. Sometimes external asks what is the difference between delete and drop. So with the help of delete command we can remove records from the table. Okay, if you want to remove all the records, then you can delete it, but your table will exist. Okay, but when you use drop table command, that table with all the records, that will delete it permanently. Okay, drop table student, query OK. Now see here, to display tables from the database we use command show tables. That's the empty set, there is no table in the 12 class database. Okay, we created only one table, now that table is deleted permanently with all records. Okay, so today we learned update, delete, alter and drop commands. If you have any query, then you may pass in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay.